Hey guys, nice to meet you, nice to have you here. We are right here at the ISE 2026 in Barcelona, and our company is Rexroth Rhinow. My name is Mario Wahlberg. We are actually from Germany, a sheet metal fabricator. We are doing several things like front panels. We are pretty expertised in laser punching machines, everything what you need to have with laser punching machines expertise. Depends bending, riveting, everything we can do. And for that reason we are here to get some customers and to get to better know of some customers which are already there and say hey to them. We are very big in the AV branch, in the AV sector, with grills and front panels and a lot of different things, but not only the AV sector. So if you have anything with sheet metal or anything you want to know about better construction, whatever, we are pretty doing everything and have a lot of good companies working with us. So feel free to reach our website and we are happy to hear from you. Thank you.